Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to do stack. And what do you think about stack? Stack is the data structure of computer operation of push, pop, and peek that are the main operation. And see one by one. Let me. Okay, let's point. You can see on the screen what is stack. Allow access to only one data item, the last item insert. If you remove this item, then you can access the next to the last item insert. That means when you insert the items, you can only the first item. If you remove the last item one by one, you need firstly this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. The algorithm of first in, last out, and you can see book some and you can only yellow one, remove the red one and orange one, and then you can access the yellow one. That is a stack. When you accessing the yellow one, you have to do some operation, push, pop. Among them, pop is you have to do. And how does stack work? Stack, you can see stack structure and top and push. When you item, you can push to the stack, and pop. Pop mean remove, push mean you insert to stack, and pop again remove from the stack. That's the stack work. And next, in a stack, all insert and deletion are made at one end. You can only insert, deletion mean remove at one end. End mean top. Previously only this top, only one. Insert and deletion are restricted from the middle and end of the stack. You cannot insert from middle and or remove middle and end, as well as you cannot do. And the one is removing item is called pop. Before I need to use push. Adding an item is called push. I mean only can insert top. Push item is adding, and remove an item is called pop. And you can see on screen picture pop, remover, and element are removed from stack in reverse order. That which elements, when you insert firstly this, you can get lastly output. When you first input, you can get first output, first in, last output. And element are removed from stack reverse order. Lastly I said, were inserted in stack. The element are inserted and removed according to last in, first out principle. What is the last in? It's a principle. Last in, first out principle. The element are inserted and removed. Remove one. Only can do. That's the principle. The one is push implementation. Push, you can see inserting, adding to the top 400 push, and stack here. See here, firstly insert 100 and secondly 200 and thirdly 300 and lastly push 400, and after that you can see top is changing. Top is 400 and adding to the top 400. Instead you can see first 100 and second 200, third 300, and lastly 400. Pop implementation. Pop operation whose work you can see on stack, and pop is removing. You can see when we insert last one firstly out, you can see this stack first input A, B, C according to the order, E lastly inserted E, and last one we can get firstly out. Last time tell you the structure. Only structure can do. You can see E is removing. And other one is according to last in first algorithm. Last in first out operation work. Peak implementation, and peak is used to read the value from the top of the stack without removing it. You can pick only the top item. All the other items are invisible to the stack user. Peak is mean not a removing. Peak is we get the top value. Sometimes you think peak is removing, not removing. Peak is get the top value. It's not removing. Without removing, you can see. So you can pick only the top item. Only you can top item. All the other items are invisible to the stack user. We don't think about others. And thank you for joining my video and watch the stack, and again hope to meet you all Java stack implementation with Eclipse ID code. And thank you again, and we will meet you another day.